Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix error code 200 or 200 in Amazon Music. So if you see that error in your app, you will need at first to update the app. So actually you will need to go with your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and just go and look for the Amazon Music by using the search bar that's located at the bottom of your screen. Then just find it, tap it, and tap on update if available. Okay, so the error 200 can be caused by bugs in older versions, so that's why you will need to update your app. Also, you will need to update your phone system. So to do that, you will need to go with your phone's settings and then just go and tap on the second option, software update available, and there you go. So right here where you can install it or update your software. Okay, so just tap on the blue colored button and that will fix the compatibility problems with the app. Also, you will need to disable battery optimization and background restriction. Okay, so just go with the battery right here and then locate your app. Okay, so just locate Amazon Music, tap it and try to go with no restrictions. So if you can't see the option right here, you will need to scroll down and check the low power mode, the last option. Okay, if it's checked, or disable it. Okay, and that will ensure the app can sync properly. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.